Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna play Ouchy Bird, and this game was a request by this video was requested by Alexander Chernvakov. He's seen my Flappy Bird video, made a comment that says try to play Ouchy Bird game. So I would like to give a shout out to him for suggesting this game, and thank you for that. I never got a game request by any of you. Oh, here's how we play. So you have to leave the birds to safety, or it's game over. I tried it a bit, and now I know how to play. I think I'm getting the hang of it, guys. Oh, dang it. This game's kind of hard. It's not funny when I say, ouch. Dang it. Oh. What? This is kind of hard. I don't know where they're going. Okay, I'm just gonna lower my face cam. I kind of want to lose because it's funny when they say ouch. Dang it. I think they gave me those when they helped me. I mean, when I helped them. Oh, come on! I didn't even touch them. I mean, oh, okay. This game's kind of confusing to. Oh my god. There we go. Oh man. Okay. So they just have to avoid the fan. What if they got to the ground and they still touched the fan? Like, my highest score is 3 right now. I'll try to beat that if I can. That was such a close one. Oh man. This is kind of funny. Oh, I hate ads. Leave a like on this video if you also hate comments. Dang. Ouch. I don't know what to do that time. Ouch, ouch. Man. Okay. Okay, this is getting kind of hard. There we go. Oh, come on. Even when they land on the fan, they still die. Meanwhile, while I was getting ready to make this video, I was watching Tyler Perry Meets the Browns. It's my favorite show I forgot the channel name. Oh yeah, BET. It's a really funny show. If you didn't know, I just got DirecTV. There we go. Oh man, thought I had it there. Trying to beat my high score. Oh, leave a comment in the video if you played this game. Oh, man, alright, let me skip this ad. Okay, I'm back after that 30-second ad. Anyway, here we go. It's getting annoying. Be more violent. There is blood everywhere. Alright, I did my high score. Oh, what? Well, it looks like I broke my high score. Anyways, guys, I guess that's it. Here are the 5 shoutouts. I know I'm gonna give I know I gave a shout out to the guy who suggested this game, but he's not gonna be on the top 5. That was just the other shout out, but still thanks. Anyway, here are the top 5 shoutouts for this video. If you didn't know, I'm giving 5 shoutouts every video. Alright, so number 5 is gonna go to Jacksepticeye. Number 4 is gonna go to Markiplier. Number 3, Super Mario Logan. And number 2 is gonna go to Bobby Rackets. And finally, number 1. Number 1 is gonna go to Dun Dun Dun. Stay tuned to find out. And the last one's gonna go to Corey Kenshin, because I saw his videos and they were really funny. I like his Baldi's Basics videos. Oh yeah, don't forget to check out Baldi's Basics. It's a really funny game. You have to collect all 7 notebooks and then try to get out. But if you didn't know Baldi's other game, Baldi's Camping Trip, you have to get some firewood sticks and have to refuel the fire and not to die. Play those 2 games on Roblox, and I am really good at the Roblox first game. One time I beat the game like 7 times. This is not clickbait. This is definitely not clickbait. Please believe me. I actually beat it 7 times in a row, okay? Alright, still, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And see you guys later. Bye-bye.